you are watching the fifth tutorial video on tables, and here we're going to be discussing column spanning. So if I say column spanning, I mean um, lighting one particular cell on the table to span across rows. Okay, to span across columns rather. So if I say column, the vertical orientation of the table is what I mean by column. Each of the vertical spaces. For example, it is Friday column, Saturday column, Thursday column, Wednesday column, okay, Tuesday column. So if a particular element span across columns, okay, occupy if a particular, for example, this $20, if it occupies the whole space of like 4 columns, it is referred as column spanning. So how can you achieve that? Alright, let's create a new HTML document to demonstrate that. Right click your folder, new file. Try to save this and give it the name tables underscore call underscore spanning.html. Okay, and save this. So the first thing should be the HTML framework with everything be built upon. So you can just name this spanning. Right, so choose an heading here. Inside is just type spanning. So bring out your table. So inside the table, your first heading, inside the first row of your heading, type the headings. Okay, so you can leave this empty. And for the other ones, let's assume this is like a time schedule for how you spend your weekend. I mean Saturday and Sunday. Example, type 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m. Because of the fact that I intend content of this row to be the heading for the table, that's the reason why I'm embedding each cell within the th tag. So I'm using the th tag to display each cell because of the fact that these are headings. Okay, so the rest of the rows. Right, so the first one would be also an heading. Okay, while the rest would be ordinary table cells. Okay, so alright. Okay, now then, let's say for example, at 9 a.m. I will be studying geography. Okay, I intend I intend this to be like a time schedule for how I spend my weekend. Okay, so here I can just put Saturday. So on Saturday, starting from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., let's say I study geography. So I can just let this cell span across 2 rows. Okay, span across 2 columns rather. How many columns are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, by just specifying the column span here, call span should be equal to what? 2. Okay, so here I can just put physics. Here I can put something like mathematics. Right. So here, let us copy the attributes here. Now to save time. So the attributes, paste it here, save. Try to view it through your browser. Look for it in your file explorer. Save. Right, here it is. Right click. take a look at this. You see that. So this is the time. This is my time schedule on weekends. So from 9 a.m. to 10, I study geography. This is column spanning. It's making one cell occupy um, spaces of other cells in other columns. Okay. So this is column for 12 a.m. This is column for 11 a.m. This column for so this cell is occupying the spaces the spaces in the cell for the 9 a.m. column and the 10 a.m. column. Right. Let's do more of this. Alright, so let me introduce another row. Inside the row will be this heading. Okay, so this one will be Sunday. Sunday. Okay, so this time around to be TD, normal table cell. Okay, right. So on Sunday, it's something well known. Christians go to church. Okay, so let's say the worship is going to take 3 hours, starting from 9 a.m. And 9 a.m. to 11. Okay, so I can just let this span across three columns. While this would be English. I believe you understand better by the time you view this through your browser. Come back here. Make sure you save this. Come back here and refresh. Now take a look at this. So on Sunday, I have made this cell to span across the spaces of cells for 3 columns. Okay, this is first cell, second cell, third cell. I believe you understand this. So this is what column spanning is. So if I make this span across 3 columns, so I shouldn't expect any other more cell. Okay, for example, here I'm having how many cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in practice, we should have 5 of it here also. But because of the fact that this has occupied 2, so we can only have 4. Okay, so with the 1 added within this space, making 5. Okay, the same thing here. You can only have 3 of these cells because this one has occupied 3. Okay, so 3 plus 2 making 5. I believe you understand that. So if you want to count the cells here, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you understand that. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've just counted the cells in each row. Okay, so this is spanning across 2, just as you saw on the web page, and this is spanning across 3 columns, just as you've seen on the web page here. Okay, alright. I believe you should be able to also do something like this over there. Thank you for watching.